All right, here we go. Showers and storms starting to ramp up in coverage across North Texas. I'm showing you a wider view of satellite and radar first to show you the two different areas that we're going to be monitoring all afternoon into the early evening hours. The first is what's going on across the immediate metroplex as we speak. As expected, over the last hour, we've seen these showers and rumbles ramp up in coverage. That is a sign that the atmosphere is starting to destabilize. Now, as these showers and storms over the next hour or so continue to intensify, they will have to be monitored for the potential for all modes of severe weather. The second batch that we're watching is actually just behind it, and that's right along a cold front, a line of storms already developing out west. These will impact North Texas as they continue to move to the east, likely later today. That time frame about 4 to 8 o'clock, and that'll be in the form of a squall line with high winds as the main threat. So here's a closer look at radar right now. The strongest storms with the heaviest rain ongoing, extending from Argyle all the way up through Denton, and these are continuing to lift to the north and east. What we've seen throughout the morning hours are showers continuing to drift in from the south. Now, as they encounter more unstable air, as they spread to the east and northeast, they will have the potential to produce all modes of severe weather. Again, behind that little complex of storms that we're looking at right now, additional showers continuing to stream in from the south. That's telling us that there is plenty of moisture for the atmosphere to work with as these showers and storms ramp up in coverage. Now, I do have an update as of the last 45 minutes. Parts of North Texas have been upgraded to what's called a moderate risk for severe weather. That's level 4 out of 5. So what you're looking at right now, that pink shaded area extending from a Greenville to Terrell all the way down to the city of Athens line, that's going to be the area that we're going to be monitoring for the potential for the strongest storms. We've been saying this over the last 24 hours, but today's severe weather event will be a low coverage, high impact event. And we're still on track for the bulk of the strongest storms, especially out ahead of the main line, to be from about 1 to 4 o'clock this afternoon. The strongest storms still look to be likely east and northeast of the immediate metroplex. Now, the second batch that we're going to be watching, and I'm going to show you this with our short range high resolution model, will be in the form of a squall line. That'll be higher coverage than these initial cells that develop out ahead of the squall line. So this is early afternoon. You can see the bulk of the showers and storms in the form of a line out west. Out ahead of that, these are the storms that we're going to be watching mainly east of I-35 for the potential to produce all modes of severe weather. Anytime we're talking about discrete supercells out ahead of the main line, those could rotate. A supercell is a storm that rotates, which means all modes of severe weather will be possible, including tornadoes. The atmosphere is a little bit more conducive for strong to severe storms to the east and northeast. After 4 or 5 o'clock, that line of storms moves through. We will see clearing pretty quickly from the west to the east. The rest of the nighttime hours look just fine. So we get all this out of here by tomorrow morning. So that most active period, again, starting to see showers and storms ramp up along I-35 and just to the west already. Now, we're going to be tracking the potential for those discrete supercells out of the head of the main line from about 1 to 4 o'clock later today, shifting off to the west, where again that strong to severe storm potential will still be in place. So our Fox 4 views out there right now, showers and storms ramping up in coverage. Overcast skies for nearly all of North Texas as showers and storms continue to spread in. So taking a look at your forewarned 7-day forecast. This is our 1 day of active weather. We will have team coverage all afternoon and evening. Heading into the weekend, looking nice. Temperatures in the 40s tomorrow morning, only topping out in the low 70s tomorrow afternoon. You can download the Fox 4 Weather app for free in your app store. Updated watches and warnings will be sent straight to your phone based on your location. You can also track live radar with us all day long.